What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal one of the laziest and easiest ways to make your first $1,000 on the Digistore24 platform. I'm going to walk you through every single step from finding a good product to promote to using this incredibly easy and totally free traffic method to get highly targeted traffic to whatever affiliate offer you want to promote. So by the end of the video, you can go out there and start to make your first $1,000, even if you're brand new, even if you have zero tech skills, or even if you've struggled in the past. So the very first step is we need to have an account on Digistore24. Now, if you haven't created an account already, it's actually free. All you have to do is go to Digistore24.com, go to the top, click register now, and then you just go through the sign up process. Now, it's totally free. It takes just a few minutes. And after you finish signing up, you want to actually go inside your back office and you want to go to Marketplace. Now, in the Marketplace, they have all these different categories of products, all these different niches that you can actually focus on. Now, if you already have maybe a YouTube channel or you're blogging in a specific niche, then I highly recommend you choose the niche here and you find a product in that niche. If you're completely brand new, the three main niches I would highly recommend you think about focusing on are health, wealth, and relationships, okay? So that would be, dating, love, and relationships here, business and investment, which is the wealth, and then the fitness and health right here, okay? So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna click on fitness and health. Now with Digistore24, it's very, very similar to sites like ClickBank or JVZoo. What you wanna do is you wanna actually look, and this is the title of the product, and then this is a little bit more information, okay? So this right here is a keto meal plan. It says it's proven to make 8 figures and more. We also want to look on the right side, okay? Because what these products are going to do is they're going to offer you different percentages of commissions when you actually refer people and they buy these products through our link. Now, this one is offering 85% commissions, okay? So this is earnings, $38.68, okay? So per commission, per referral. We can go down. This is 80%, okay? $37. Now, what you can also do is you can sort by different rankings, okay? By popularity, by earnings per sale, okay? So popularity is pretty good because that's going to share with us what products are actually selling really well right now, okay? Now this product's selling, pretty good. It's really popular, but you can see the earnings are about $5. For this method, if we want to make our first $1,000, we want to look at a good paying product, okay? So what you can even do is you can sort results by earnings per sale. And what this is going to do is share with us what's the average amount of earnings per sale, okay? Now, a lot of these are about $70 or less, okay, which is not an incredible amount of money, but because it's pretty good at converting people, you can see the earnings per cart visitor is $3, okay, meaning every single time someone goes to visit that cart, you're going to make about $3.33, which is pretty good. The cancellation rate, you want to take that into account because when we go to promote a product, this is part of the research phase, right? We want to make sure that the product has a very low cancellation rate, a very low refund rate, because the lower the refunds, the more money we're going to keep in our pocket. So anything below about a 7, 7 or below is pretty good. This is close to 15%, which is really not good. Okay, 22%, which is not good, 15%. So far, what I would do is I would probably start with this one right here, okay? The Lean Belly 3X, because it has a pretty low cancellation rate, decent commission percent, and earnings is $77, which isn't bad. Now, once we find a product we want to promote, we just click promote now, okay? And this is our affiliate link. Now, we want to save this, okay? Now, I can actually go to this to share with you what this looks like when people hit this page. Now, you can see that what this page is going to look like, okay, is it's going to have a video. So if I click to play, okay, and I mute that right there, basically it's a sales video. And after a certain period of time, okay, you can see already, they have this right here. So these are basically pills that are going to supposedly, help people burn fat, right? So this looks pretty good. You want to look at the sales page, make sure that even potentially you would buy it. If you're in that niche, right? Maybe you're trying to lose weight. Would you actually be interested in buying this product? And then what we want to do is we want to take our affiliate link, okay? We want to copy this and we want to go to a site called tinyurl.com. We don't just want to start promoting this link here because this link is pretty unattractive. It's long. A lot of people aren't going to click on it, right? We want to make it look more attractive. So you can actually go to a tiny URL. Okay, you can put that in there, that link, and you can actually click make tiny URL. And what this does is this creates a shortened link. Okay, now that's a little bit more attractive. It's shorter, it's easier for people to see, it's easier for people to click on. And then we can click copy. Okay, copy that to clipboard. And then what I like to do is save it in a text pad because we're gonna need this in just a second. Okay, so if I put this in a notepad right there, that's our shortened affiliate link. And now we wanna actually go on to the next step. So what I wanna share with you right now is a totally free, incredibly powerful traffic source most people are not revealing to you, and it's gonna get you a ton of sales, okay? So what it's using is Twitter. Now, maybe you've never thought about using Twitter for affiliate marketing. Maybe you don't even have a Twitter account, but you can see that I have close to 17,000 followers on my Twitter account, okay? This is incredibly powerful, and you can get free traffic very, very easily, okay? So the first thing we wanna do on Twitter is we wanna create a tweet, okay? So you can actually go down here, and what we wanna do is we wanna create a little bit of curiosity. So we wanna create an ad that's gonna get people interested in learning more information about whatever product we're promoting. So it has to depend on what product you're specifically promoting. For the sake of this, okay, we're promoting a fat burning pill, okay? So what I can do is I can actually paste in, first off, that tiny URL. This is our affiliate link. And I can go back here and I can just look over, you know, what is this, right? You know, get a little bit more information. It says brand new offer, okay? What you can also do is you can actually go to the affiliate sales page and you can kind of watch this, okay? And kind of see what this says. So this is saying, okay, right here. So what specifically is it, right? So we want to find out more information and just get a little bit of an idea. So this says, okay, so when it comes to toning, okay, research has shown, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, so basically this is just gonna help people burn fat, okay? So what I can do is I can go here and I just wanna write a little bit, you know, a few sentences that are gonna pique people's interest when it comes to losing fat, okay? So I can say, do you want to discover the new and incredibly easy fat burning method or fat burning solution, okay, because it's really a pill, that doctors or that fitness gurus don't want you to know about? If so, okay, and once we do that little bit of curiosity, now like I said, some of these affiliate sales pages are going to have more information, or you can just copy this template, right? You can even do the same product that I'm promoting in this video, but you just want to build a little bit of curiosity, right? Do you want to learn the secret hack that gurus don't want you to know about, right? You just want to leave out information. You want to get people interested in going, yes, like I want to know that, right? Make it have a question mark in their mind. And then we want to give a call to action. We want to tell people, you know, if so, click the link below, okay? And then we want to have our affiliate link, the shortened link. Now, what I recommend you do to make this even better is we want to add an image of proof because people are skeptical, right? So what we can do is we can go to Google, okay, Google Images, and we can search in a few words that have to do with our niche or product. So for example, this has to do with weight loss. I can type in weight loss followed by results. If you're in the make money online niche, make money online results. If you're in the dating niche, you know, dating results. There's not going to be a lot of results, but you can find images of couples and things like that. So when I do weight loss results, it's going to share all these people that are before and after, right? So what I can actually do is just look through a compelling one that's pretty, you know, drastic, and I can actually download this and upload it to Twitter. So let me find one right here. Okay, so, you know, this one looks pretty good, right? This woman. So I can actually save this to my computer, go back to Twitter, and then I just click this little image and I can upload this image. Okay, just like this, right? So there we have it. This is a pretty compelling advertisement, and then I can just tweet this, okay? Now, once we tweet it, we want to do something very specific, okay? So it sees right here, one, you want to like it, okay? This is going to add some social proof. This is going to make other people, you know, look like they're liking it, right? So it's going to get more traction. But then we also want to click these three dots, and we want to click pin to profile. Now, I'm not going to do that because this isn't the niche that I'm in. But what this would do is this would pin. I've already pinned this one because I'm in the make money online niche. This will pin this to your profile. You can see I did this method, right? My affiliate link, proof, and then I have, some curiosity. Do you want to discover how to generate high ticket affiliate commissions on autopilot and get paid instantly, right? So that's curiosity. And I pinned it. Okay, so now what happens is as people go to my profile, it doesn't matter if I tweet more, this is always going to be at the top. Okay, so this is incredibly powerful. Now, how do we actually get people going to our profile is what you may be wondering, because we've already pinned this, but we need people to see this. Well, now I'm going to share with you an incredibly powerful, totally free tool. Again, most people are not sharing with you. Okay, most people don't even know about. What it's called is Tweetdeck. Okay, Tweetdeck. I'll include a link directly below this in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. Tweetdeck.twitter.com. What you can do is you can hook up your Twitter profile to this free software. Now, this works with Twitter, okay, so you don't have to worry about it being, against their rules. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to go up here, okay, where it says search Twitter. And what we want to do is we want to do quotes, and then we want to type in a few words that your ideal prospect or customer for your product you're promoting would be tweeting about or thinking about, okay? So for example, if you're in the, health and fitness niche, for this case, I can say, I want to lose weight, okay? And I can do those quotes and then hit enter. And what that does is this literally searches through every single person that has included those words, okay? So for example, I want to lose weight. Okay, this person right here, 1 hour ago, posted they want to lose weight. I want to lose weight. I want to lose weight. I want to lose weight, right? So what you're realizing is all of these people within a day or so are literally struggling with the exact problem that our product solves. Okay, so what this does is this literally finds you the most targeted, high quality people. Because if you go to Facebook and you just post an ad, yes, some people may want to lose weight, but maybe they're not feeling it that day. But when you go here and you find people that, an hour ago, 4 hours ago, they're complaining, they're venting that they have that problem that our product solves, the sales are going to flow very easily, because all we're doing is finding people with that hot button problem. We're finding our product that's high converting, and we're putting those two people together. Okay, so literally what we can do is once we find people that are saying that, we can literally just reply. Okay, so I can say, hey, I'm sorry you feel this way. I just discovered a very easy solution to lose weight or to make money or to get your ex back. If interested, check out my pinned post on my profile. Okay, and you can literally copy this. I can tweet that to that person. They're going to see that. They're going to go to my profile, see the pinned tweet. Okay, see this, click here. They're going to see the affiliate link. Okay, that's high converting. They're going to watch that video. When they buy, we're going to be able to make money. And you can do this over and over. Okay, I mean, literally, boom, tweet. Okay, now after a while, you don't want to just keep posting that same thing. It could be spam. You can actually edit this. Hey, I'm sorry you feel this way. You can also do different phrases. Okay, I want to lose weight. I want to burn fat. Okay, I want to burn fat, right? So that one's not so popular, but you get the idea. This tool mixed with pinning this tweet, okay, is going to work incredibly powerfully, and you can start to make your first $1,000 with Digistore in record-breaking speed. Now, before you get going, again, go down below though, check out that free training video. I reveal my #1 affiliate system because, chances are if you just send people directly to this sales page, some people aren't going to buy right away, and you have no way to actually follow up with them. If you want to discover my #1 affiliate system that comes with done-for-you capture pages, follow-up emails, where you can literally send people using this traffic source and start to generate high-ticket affiliate commissions even while you're sleeping, again, check out that link below while it's still available. Also, be sure to subscribe with the bell notification. I'm going to be posting more videos just like this every single week. Also, smash that like button if you like this video. That tells me to make more. And until next time, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.